Finally, the Welcome Suica Mobile was released on the Apple Store today on March 6, 2025, and this is a specially made app for international travelers coming to Japan, especially for iPhone users. Simply speaking, you can download it to your iPhone and you can charge from the credit card you registered your Apple Pay. You can just get on the train or pay things at the stores in Japan. The original format of this is the regular physical Suica card, and they also have the Apple Pay Suica card. The Suica is a transportation's IC card. Each metropolitan areas in Japan, like Tokyo, Nagoya, Osaka, Fukuoka, has its own IC card brand. For example, in Tokyo, JR East is issuing Suica. Private Railways joint brand is Pasmo. And in Osaka, JR West is issuing Ikoka. But Apple Pay also has a mobile version of the Suica that are open for international travelers too. So you might wonder, what is the difference of this Welcome Suica Mobile and this Apple Pay's Suica? So there is a special function only for the Welcome Suica Mobile. That, for example, you can get on the Shinkansen by JR East, the non-reserved seat without any reservation, and you can just tap this Welcome Suica Mobile and go through the gate of Shinkansen. Usually you need to register your Suica or you have to purchase a ticket. But with Welcome Suica Mobile, you can go through the gate of the Shinkansen as it is. But something you might want to know is, this Welcome Suica Mobile has a 180 days limitation. You can use that balance only for 180 days. So before you leave, and in case you don't come back in like 6 months, you have to use up all the balance before you leave Japan, because you cannot get a refund for this. It's just released today, so let's try to download and search Suica. And Welcome Suica Mobile comes up. And open. Welcome Suica Mobile. Oh, new screen. And it says just touch to the ticket gate and get on your trains. And easy to use for store payments too. It is. And use the app to buy 1 day hop on, hop off pass and save money. And ride the Shinkansen train by just touching the ticket gate, as I explained. And Welcome Suica thing. First is Japanese turn to English after, so I agree. Do I have to go down? And there's a button agree above right, so click agree. And for this one, same. You go down to the bottom, and this agree button turns red, so you click this agree. So this is the account number, it says, and this is already assigned. You don't have to do anything. And you decide the secret keyword for this. So 10 to 15 characters, uppercase and lowercase letters and numbers. So let's choose 1,000 yen and top up with Apple Pay. And it says Welcome Suica Mobile is available in wallet. And let's go to next and adding card right now. And agree. I have to agree with so many things. Setting up card for Apple Pay, it says. Card added. And start using Suica. Notification arrow. So now I got Welcome Suica Mobile on my phone. Design has a lot of meaning actually. It's wishing the safe travel. It has a design of the cherry blossom, but this kind of gold design of the Japanese style design has a meaning like getting rid of evils and wishing the traveler safe. If you like to top up, you can top up from top up bottom. And you can also purchase this 1 day pass. And this one is 1,600 yen a day, and you can get on subways in Tokyo too. So 1,600 yen a day is a lot because trains usually like 190 yen, 200 yen. So if you get on 8 times a day, and you can purchase, but make sure you purchase on the day because this is only valid on the day you purchase. This is something you cannot do with your regular Apple Pay Suica. So this is especially made for international travelers. So now let's go to see the JR station if I can use it as a regular IC card. It doesn't have to be JR, it can be used for the subway too. When you use iSuica on the iPhone, you don't have to open any app. From both apps, you can see the balance and also you can top up your Welcome Suica Mobile. So now let's try to use the Welcome Suica Mobile. And here I tried to go into the gate first, and actually the Suica of my daily one, which is regular Apple Suica's Suica open. So looks like I had to go to the setting and turn off the regular one and turn on Welcome Suica Mobile. In case you have 2 or more transportation IC card of Japan, you need to turn on the Welcome Suica Mobile from Express Transit Card setting. You can go here from the right above, see card details and Express Transit card. Okay, now let's try again. Okay, now I could use Welcome Suica Mobile. The balance still shows 1,000 yen, but just entering the station it costs 150 yen. Now let's leave the gate. The entry fee to JR station is 150 yen. Now the balance is 850 yen. I could use Welcome Suica Mobile. So I could use it just like a regular Suica card or Apple Pay Suica card. So for now it's only for iPhone, but the great thing is that you can charge while you are in your country and you can use it as soon as you arrive in Japan. Something you might want to be careful is, for example, the main card I use in Japan is not allowing the points to accumulate it for charging to the Suica. So if you are saving the points on your credit card, depending on the credit card, it might be out of the kind of point system to charge to your IC card. So that is something you might want to check with your credit card company. So another function in addition to this, you can purchase a day pass for the Tokyo area is that you can get on the JR East Shinkansen. And that is convenient because you can get on the Shinkansen's non-reserved seat without purchasing any ticket. And usually you need a ticket or you have to register your mobile Suica at the machine, but you don't have to do that. And you can just get on. But then something to be careful is you have to have kind of a lot of money in the account if you get on Shinkansen. So depending on where you go, it can be a few thousand yen, can be 10,000 yen. So make sure you have enough balance in your card because it's not auto charged. So you can, but it's easy. You can just tap and charge from your iPhone. In case your phone's battery is gone, you can still use it as an IC card for a while. So if you have been here before, you might have a Suica already and might not be able to find much reason, but in the future it looks like there's a more function on this Welcome Suica Mobile. So you might be able to think it as one of the choice of the Suicas. So this card is very good for someone using iPhone and especially for someone coming to Japan for the first time and don't have the regular Suica or mobile Suica card. So even if you have the physical IC card, it is convenient that you can pay from your credit card. So you might be able to install it. So biggest thing to be careful is you have to use it up before you leave because you cannot probably use it again when you come back after 180 days. In this channel, I'm talking about travel tips and updates about Japan and also making the travel vlog across Japan. So please hit the like button and subscribe if you like the Japan travel contents. Thank you for watching. Have a great trip to Japan. Have a great week until the next video.